Happy morning to everyone. So today I thought let me to bring very wonderful topic which is very useful for you all. Why useful? Because we are at home. Many times you used to ask to your parents, Mama, I am getting very bored at home. What should I do? Then you are asking to your teachers also, teacher, please do some activity. I am getting very bored at home. Yeah, we are not coming to the school. What should be done? And same things we are doing again and again. So I thought let me to bring some wonderful activities which are very easy for you all and which can give you a good learning. So few activities, just watch very carefully what your teachers are showing right now to you all. That will be benefited in different level. First thing is what should be done in your kitchen. What should be done when you are thinking that some waste material are here and there, and what should be done for your learning. So watch these videos very carefully, what the other teachers are telling to you all, and share me your feedback. Do at home, don't waste your time, and I hope this type of activities will work out a lot to develop your creative thinking and your good learning.
Good morning children. Today I came with an idea of fireless cooking. So using this type of cooking we can decorate our dining table with a healthy salads and healthy vegetables and can help our parents in making our dining table look so beautiful. So are you ready children? Here you can see the vegetable salad where I have used cucumber, carrot, tomatoes, sweet corn and pomegranate seeds. Okay, I have chopped cucumber and carrot in a semicircle, tomatoes in a circle, and this is my way of decorating. You can come up with a new ideas where you can decorate, can do many decorations and make your dining table look so beautiful. Okay, this is one of the healthy salad. So hope you all come up with the new ideas, with the new decorations which can keep your family healthy and happy. Bye. Thank you children.
Today I am going to make you feel people little bit funny. Fun with puzzles. What is this? Fun with puzzles. So let's start. And here is your first question. And the question you have to solve it in 7 seconds. So what is the question? Which alphabet letter is a question? I repeat, which alphabet letter is a question? And your time starts now. Take 7 seconds. And here is your answer. That is Y. That is Y. And the second question is here. What has only 2 words but thousands of letters? What has only 2 words but thousands of letters? And your time starts now. And here is the answer, that is post office. Yes children, we find n number of letters in the post office, right? Yes. And the last question, that is, which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Your time starts now. And the answer is the word incorrectly. So Violet, start creating some fun.
We try having an activity like role play. Today I am going to show you how a fox was trying for food. So there was a fox who was very hungry. He was searching for food here and there, but he couldn't get any food. Suddenly he saw a grapevine and he tried to catch those grapes, but he couldn't do it. Again and again he tried, and at last he gave up and said,
"Grapes are sour. Anyhow, I don't want them."
So here the fox feels that, however, he couldn't get the grapes, so they are worthless. So, hope you all love the story. You can just have a role play on any good stories. So, children, shall we start? Hope you all will come with a great idea. Thank you.
Hi children, I have prepared an elephant head. So let's do. So, children, fun with creativity. Do and enjoy.
Life skill is all about all the time learn something, do something new. So that's the main reason. Don't waste your time at your home. So any type of activities which you feel that you have learned something new, always just inculcate those habits to develop more and more skill in your personality. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you a lot to learn some new activities, and keep on doing. Share your activities with us and even your feedback. Thank you so much.